Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. I am Ram and today we are diving into data science, what it is and how it works. What is a data science? Data science is like superpower that let us make sense of massive amount of information. Imagine you have a ton of data, number, fact or even picture. Without the right tools, it's just a jumble of info, right? Data science is what help us find patterns, make predictions and solve problems using that data. But how does it work? Here is the breakdown. Data. Think of data as a raw material like ingredient for a recipe. Science. This is where the magic happens. It's like being a detective analyzing all that data to find hidden story and insight. For example of data science, recommendations. Netflix, YouTube's where Netflix suggests a movie based on you have watched it before. That is a data science at work. The systems look at the data like what you watch, how long you watch it, what you rate and then predict what you might enjoy next. Spam filter in email. Ever wonder how your email know which messages are spam? Data science analyze the text, sender info and even the frequency of certain words, making an educated guess about whether an email is spam or not. Weather forecastings. When meteorologists predict the weather it will rain tomorrow, they are using data science to analyze ton of weather's data from temperatures, wind speed, pressures and more to give an accurate predictions. Why do we learn data science? First, it's everywhere. Data science is changing industries from healthcare to finance, sport to marketing. It's being used to predict trends, optimize process and make data-driven decisions that can change the world. Second, it's like being a data detective. Just like Sherlock Holmes solve mystery with clues, data scientists solve problems by digging through data, looking for patterns that can lead to solutions. Third, it's a power technology. Remember those self-driving cars we talked about? They do not just base on sensors. They also use massive amount of data to make decisions like predicting other drivers' behavior or road condition. Data science make that possible. Fourth, it's open door to amazing career. From machine learning to big data analytics, data science has many career opportunities. It helps business, government and researchers solve complex problems and you could be part of it. 5. It's fun. Okay, this is one of the best part. Data science is exciting because it's let you to create the cool things. Want to build a recommendation system like Netflix? Or maybe create a chatbot that can understand and respond to user? Data science give you the tool to do that. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and drop your question or feedback in the comment below. Thanks for watching.